Hey guys, it's Mary, and I have auto ship number 3 of Diamond Press multimedia, mixed media. Why do I always want to say multimedia? It's mixed media. And this is the Christmas edition. So let's get this out and take a look. I think we've got 3 more of these. I know the next one is going to be Valentine's Day, if I remember correctly. But we will take a look. All right, Mixed Media Kit Christmas. So we've got our stamps and our stencils and our screen prints and our big stencils. We got, what do we got? We have, let's see. We've got Christmas colors and acrylic paint. So we've got Emerald, Blizzard, and Berry. We've got gold foil. We have iridescent glitter paste. Ooh, that's very pretty. Iridescent glitter paste. White screen print ink. No name screen print ink. Red screen print ink. It's weird. Looks like maybe the label went here and then it came off. I don't know. But it is red and it is screen print ink, so label or not. We've got oh my, texture paste. I could read it. And tacky paste. I now am the proud owner of many jars of tacky and texture paste because I had bought the upsell box of it, not thinking that I would have plenty by the time this was done. But so I got plenty. But I am learning how to use it efficiently, and so I like this iridescent glitter paste though. All right, so let's see if I can find. All right, so we've got our stamps. May your holidays be filled with, and then you can say whatever you want. Joyous and bright Christmas at Christmas time, seasons, cheer, holiday bells. May all your days be all the way, and have a. And let's take a look. Oh, let's take a look at our screen prints. These I can't even talk. The screen prints I have found are very easy to use and very nice, as small as they are. So what do we have? We have may your holiday be wrapped in happiness. We've got snowflakes, which will look gorgeous in that glitter paste, that iridescent excuse me, it's the most wonderful time of year. That's pretty. A little mistletoe, maybe, or holly. These two are the berries. I'm thinking that's a cardinal. Poinsettia. And more little berries with like a spruce branch. So those are nice. And then our word stencils. If I can get it open. All right, we've got greetings. Mary. Jingle. I love the way the font is different on all of these. I like this. Jingle. Look at how cool that is. Holiday. Peace and joy. Like it a lot. Wishes. Oh, holly jolly. I love that. And cheer. And then in our big stencils, my goodness, hold that thought. All right, here we go. Excuse me. We've got holly with berries. Snowflakes. All different kinds of pretty snowflakes. And then plaid. That's cool. All right, so let's see how they've mixed and matched. I love that no matter how simple it is, and you know, Demopress always gives instructions and always gives ideas. All right, so here's your stamp and stencil. So they're using Peace and Joy stencil at Christmas time. Excuse me, the stamp. Have a joyous holiday. You can do holiday cheer. So the gray is the stencil. So have a joyous holiday, holiday cheer. May all your days be merry and bright. Merry Christmas. Christmas cheer, season's greetings, joyous greetings, holiday greetings, jingle all the way, jingle bells, Christmas wishes, holiday wishes, peace and joy at Christmas time. May your holidays be filled with peace and joy. Have a holly jolly Christmas and have a holly jolly holiday. So lots of different combinations that you can make using the word stencils and the stamps. And not showing the big stencils. So seems to me there was more than 3 usually. But maybe I'm wrong. But let's check the printouts that I've done. I might be thinking, well, the first one had 6 stencils. Well, 3 stencils. The plaid, the snow, and the holly. I guess the last one had 3 also. Yep. All right, well. So there's actually 6 of these. This goes till April of next year. So we're halfway through. This is number 3. So we are halfway through with the auto ships. Yep, red, glitter paste, techie, texture. So, all right, so that's it. So, did you pick this, the auto ship set? Did you buy the, just a single? Did you buy any of it? I've tried some of it, and I really like the consistency of the paste. I've used the glitter. I've tried the glitter paste. I've tried the tacky paste and the texture. And I like consistency. I've only used the silkscreen once, but it was really easy to work with. So I've got no complaints there at all. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got this one. If you picked up the other auto ships. If you signed up for the auto ships originally. We haven't had any problems. I don't even recall these being on extended delivery, though they could have been in, the first 1 or 2. I'm not sure. So, but I've been happy with everyone that we've gotten so far. So, Diamond Press makes a good product, and like I said, they always follow through with some good directions and ideas for everything. So that's it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I can't believe that the year is almost over with. It's just amazing to me that it's gone this fast. It's just crazy. So, almost a new year already. So, let me know what you think. If you are currently subscribing, thank you so much. If you've come once in a while and you think you might want to subscribe, you can hit that subscribe button. There's a notification button that you can hit if you want, and it will send you notifications when there's a new video to watch. Also, there's a share button and a like button, and that like button is very important. So if you like a video, when you watch it on any of, the channels that you watch, it's really nice if you would hit that like button for them. Oh, and don't forget, December 1st, we'll start the Advent Calendar countdown. I've got the Spellbinders Advent Calendar, and the Crafter's Companion, and this year I've got a Brutus Monroe Advent. And we'll be opening them daily through December. So I'm hoping that there's some good stuff in there, and I'm hoping that the things don't slide around in Spellbinders like they did last year, because that was pretty crazy. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, put them in comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of them. Leave me a comment. Just let me know that you like the video, or you have any comments, questions. Let me know. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.